In this video I just want to show you this frying pan, what I call a flip pan, and you can use it for cooking sandwiches, etc. apparently. So I've only just received it, so I'm going to take it out of the box and show you what it looks like. It tells you here what you can use it for. I'll show you quickly on the back to give ideas there. Instructions for washing it first, which I've done already. And here, so you can looks like you can warm up pasties, cook some meats and beans and things, and a sandwich, which is what I'm going to do. So I've got the sandwich prepared. Now out of the box it looks like this. And as you can see, it's this size. It's got a nice medium size. It's a lightweight one, more designed for camping as well, or caravanning, motorhoming. On the end here you've got a clip where if you squeeze that together you can undo this clip, so thus allowing you to open it. So it opens like this. Oh, and it's nice, it stays open. Let's put it over here just to see. So yeah, it's good. So it's non-stick coating, and thus you don't have to oil it apparently. So I'm just going to get the sandwich. I'm going to cook it. I might cut it in half, I don't know. Yeah, I might cut it in half.